Hi guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your own server or your home server, and I'll show you how to do it for free. Now the source, or the crux of what's going to make this work, is a free program called WAMP Server, which stands for Windows, Apache, MySQL and PHP, and all those applications are useful for setting up a server, and WAMP server just combines those. If you're running Linux on your computer, then you want to get LAMP server, Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. Anyway, do a Google search for the WAMP server and download it. It's free and it's the most popular Windows server software, well, for free anyway. Anyway, just download it and install it. It'll come up with a few options. It will say at one point, please choose your default browser. If you're not sure where that is, just make sure you're in the Windows folder and just click open, and it will find it by itself. And it will also say please choose a SMTP server and an email address. If you have an email address, just put yours in. I've put mine in, and leave the STMP server to localhost. Anyway, once you've done that, just run the server and nothing will happen, but sort of icon will appear in your system tray. Now, depending on what version of WAMP you're using, it will be a different icon. Anyway, mine's this. So here it says WAMP server, server online. Now you also say server offline. But anyway, if you want to put your server online, which you do, just left click on the icon, and where it says here put offline, you also say put online. So if you click that, it will put the server online. And then to test it's online, open up a web browser, which I'm just going to do quickly here. Go to the address bar and put in local host. Press enter. And then it will come up the WAMP server server configuration page, which looks something like this. Yeah, it looks just like this. Anyway, so now you know your server is up and running, so just get rid of that. Anyway, the next thing you want to do is click on the W again and click www directory. And then everything that goes in here will appear on your server, and there's default index.php, which we just saw, and the test MySQL. You don't need those, so just get rid of those. And I'm just going to put in some files that I've already created. I've got an index page, a pictures page, pictures folder, and an FTP folder, which I'll show you what does earlier. Anyway, just to test these, if you double click on one, it's very simple HTML. It's welcome to my server by Charles Kelly, which is me, and it's a link to my pictures.html file. Anyway, don't need that. So I'm just going to minimize this and get all my files and just copy them and paste them in the www directory. Just click paste, and then it's got it there. So then if we minimize this and go to new tab, get rid of that. If we go to local host begin. Oops, I must have spelled it wrong. There we go. And there it is. Now my index.php file is on my server. Now to view my pictures.html, just go on it. And then I put a sample picture of an F-35 Raptor on here, so we can just view that there. As you can see, it's in the pictures folder. Now the FTP folder will let you browse the contents of the folder. So if we go to localhost/FTP, it says the index of FTP, and obviously I've got the F-35 Raptor in there as well. And there it is. So if we just go back, I think the same you can do if you go in the pictures folder. Go to my pictures folder, and it says, and it's the index of the pictures folder, and obviously I've got the parent directory, which I have no idea what that is, and I've got the image that we just saw. So anyway, that's how to set up our home server, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to make it so you can view it from anywhere, any computer in the world, you'll need to port forward it and then assign your IP address to a domain. If you want to do that, go to dyndns.com. You can assign your IP to a domain. The reason I'm not doing that for this video is because it's sort of a security risk. If they can get into one computer in your household, they might be able to get into the others, so I'm not going to do that. But if you look up port forwarding, you should be able to do it if you want to. Anyway, that's my video on how to make a home server, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys.